Hello ladies, hello gentlemen. In this video guys, I want to show to you how to build a mini house or a big house. It no make no difference guys. If you have a sun, you can have this. Without destroy the forest, without this, that's garbage. That's for your children for tomorrow. Alright? Because when you chop it out the tree, this destroy the life. Okay, you understand this? Build a house without this, without chopping out the forest. When you chop it out the forest, you destroy your life. You only need the sun, welding. My grandmother could do this. Melting, piece of metal, piece of metal, piece of metal, and a piece of rebar. Now you with the drill. I go with the drill because I don't have a metal screw. You can see here. There is no metal. So I have to go with the drill. Do it hole in every piece of blade. Alright? To do the roof guy. Ladies, what is the big deal to do this? Welding, children can welding. Rebar, how much is going to cost? Almost nothing. And you have the sound there. What else you needed to do a wonderful job? What else you needed? Ladies and gentlemen, do something for your son, for the grandson, for your granddaughter. It's so simple, guys. Right here we're using rebar. If you have an idea how to do something small, you can do it big, big. What is the big difference if you have an idea, guys? Right here we're using rebar. You see here is 1 inch. If you want to do it two family, you got to begin here with 4 inches too. Right here, right here, right here. Get the sun, chop it out this thing, welding. What's the big difference, guys? All right, using 4 or 6 inches here everywhere. 4, 5 inches here. If you want to do two family, one for rent, one for you living here. Over here again, you're gonna mount the two across 4 inches, lay plywood and rebar and concrete this thing. What's the big difference? And then continue here again, up on top of the concrete here. All this you can do at the same time. You cut this according to where you want to go. 8 foot, 8 here and 8 here, and welding this thing here. What's the big difference, guys? You need to have an idea how to do a small, and you can do big. All right, simple. Look, here a rebar because this is small. You want to do big, 4 inches, right there, right there, right there. Welding this thing here, another 4 here, another 4 here. You want to do two family, mostly being across, welding. What is the big difference, guys? What is the big difference? I don't understand. The difference here it is you do something for your grandson, for your granddaughter, for your son, for tomorrow.